Alright. What's up, YouTube? We in the car with it. We is going to the gun range. Well, we at the gun range. Right now. We just pulled up.
That's what you say.
No, but we just vlogging. We want to do something different for y'all. I'm trying to put on my shoes.
Let's see how I look like a Walmart worker. Let me get a haircut.
All the stuff.
The ones that be pushing the buggies back. That's what it look like. That's what this look like. Yeah.
But don't play with him, cause he gonna get a haircut. Okay?
Tomorrow.
What y'all niggas got? Not a damn thing.
Well, I can grow some beard. Some people can't. Some people grow it in like 30 years.
But we finna go inside right now, so we'll see y'all when we inside.
I'm about to walk in now.
This is already preloaded.
Absolutely.
There's nothing that needs to be done with it. How's it going, folks? Welcome.
Hello.
Thanks for coming in. Are you coming to buy? Coming to
Yeah.
yeah.
You ain't hit it once. Oh, I'm gonna show you how to do it, man. You got bullets now. Hey, MD, I'm gonna show you how to do it, all right?
Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is scary.
You shooting yet?
Who?
You shooting yet?
Sorry?
I said, you shooting yet?
It's a 460 Magnum.
Yeah.
Rounds like this big.
I was trying to make sure I'm out the way first. Ain't loud. I ain't seen that. All that. You hear me? It's like, can you hear me?
Let me know when you're ready. Hey, what? Don't come to my house, bro. Stay out of my house, all right? What? You want? Bro, don't open that door up. Don't open that damn door. Shit. That shit sounds good. Yeah, I'm hitting something now. I'm just joking. I ain't getting shit, bro. I was just joking. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, I got two next shots up there.
That gun, part first.
They told me already about your
Alright, y'all. I'm back in a minute. I'm back. Alright, y'all. She first. For Target. About to send it up. How far you want it? Alright. Now to load it?
No.
Wait. Let me see. Put it down. Okay, good. Alright. Huh? Just hold it comfortable. Not straight out though, but yeah. Go.
Okay, let me help you real fast. So when you're holding that, you don't want to cross your thumbs, okay? Make sure you get this hand all the way to the top, okay? And then you see this open space right here? You're gonna put your palm right there. So kind of lift your thumb up, and then put your palm just like that, okay? You wanna keep your thumb straight, like that, and you wanna squeeze your gun like that, okay? Now I want you to take your arms all the way out. There you go. And I want you to lean forward, okay? Like you're getting ready to run a race, okay? Now put your left foot forward. There you go. A little bit wider, okay? And then make sure you really lean into it, because when you lean into it, it's gonna help absorb that kick. Come back, okay? All right. Now remember, you're gonna put that front dot in the middle of those two dots right there, okay? That's where you're aiming, okay?
Okay.
All right. When you're ready, just slowly squeeze the trigger.
Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. All right. It's not in. Is it?
Okay.
That thing.
Okay, do not play with him. He's not one of them.
Man, I wouldn't look. I wasn't aiming at that. I was just aiming right here. The whole time. Second attempt. See what she got. Just stand straight now. There she go.
Okay. Look. Boop, boop. Don't miss.
Yeah, no,
Yeah. Yeah.
I can see that far. Alright, y'all.
It's hot, y'all. It's hot. But yeah, that's the little vlog or whatever we want to show y'all. I guess.
We want to go get something to eat and what?
And then edit the rest of these videos.
Yeah. So today it'll be what's today's May 2nd. So we'll have one up by today.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
We have one up by today on May 2nd. So that's a promise that we got. But make sure you like,
comment and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, watch the whole video, you know. Go and share on any social media. We'll be on TikToks back again because we've been slacking. So we'll be back on YouTube, doing YouTube videos.
Yes, sir.
TikToks.
All of that. So follow us on the social media. It'll be right here.
Yep, and we'll get back with y'all in the next video.
Peace.